Come here. Come here. Come here. Come
Hey! Oh boy, bolted.
Pugs. Hey guys, we're at the pug meetup in Riverside, and there's probably about 20 to 25 pugs right now, probably more later. Here's Mara. Here's Matilda.
Everybody say Puggy Boy! Puggy Boy!
Alright. Now let me get it. Another duck.
We have a wall.
Seahawks.
Alright, puck of the month. Drumroll, please. Illegal use of hand. Baby the Blues.
Brad. Hey. Good girl. Come on.
Go to your mommy. Yay. I don't know if you're...
Oh shoot. Alright guys, we just got back home from the pug event. Really fun event. You know, we got to meet like over 20 different pugs and pug owners, so it was good to like hang out with them. And want to give a thank you to Josh and Nadia for hosting the event. You know, they were giving out prizes, cool gifts, dog treats, and they have it once a month, which is awesome, you know. And it's a really nice dog park. But yeah, thank you guys for hosting the event. Almost forgot, we did win a raffle, and this is what we got. I did not choose the pug life chose me. Woo! Thank you guys.